Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. The shippers came to life again, so this one came to life in a big way. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward is going to be this pink line right here. What do I mean by ideal? Where if you're to say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best, the absolute strongest? If the price can stay above that pink line, the 200 period simple moving average, that would definitely make the chart, the healthiest. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, if the price can hold up above that pink line, that would be the ideal situation. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. And this allows us to really kind of simplify things here. And, really, keyword here being moving. So this line, as time goes by, is just going to continue to move its way upward. So if you picture that like a trend line and stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to continue to increase over time. And that, by definition, is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, a very basic way to measure the health of the current move is, hey, as long as the price stays above that purple line, bulls are in full control, full health. Now, what about levels of resistance? Two main areas of resistance. The first one is the fun one, and that's up here at, let's just call it $8. $8 is fun one just because, well, yeah, I'll agree. Talking about testing previous highs, breaking new highs is definitely a fun topic to be chattering about. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's another bridge that first needs to be crossed before you can start talking about, the quote-unquote fun level of resistance. And in this case, that initial level of resistance is right here at about $7.35, which you can see here has quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. So yeah, $8 is indeed a level of resistance. But before you start talking about that one, bulls first need to prove themselves by, crossing over this $7.35 bridge here. So all in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if this can continue to build upon the momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.